Hello guys, you're welcome to this very tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to make payments, all right, locally, even if you are in another country, using this platform called Selar, all right, to buy products. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to demo this with one of my products that I'm currently doing a massive discount on right now. So let's just go to that site directly. So seller.co slash 4-in-1 design templates. You can see it above here. All right, this is the site. Okay, so I'll go to that product and then I'm going to buy that product. Okay, I'm going to buy that product and I'm going to pay locally instead of paying online. I'm going to pay via transfer. Maybe you don't have debit card or something, and you want to, or you just prefer a local transfer. All right, for me currently I'm in Nigeria, so for this particular product I have initially I have a lot of other local account details for international payment, but currently it's not available right now. I'm using only one local transfer method currently. Okay, so but if you're in another country and you wish to do a local transfer, all right, so if you want to do a local transfer, it's very possible. If you're in Nigeria, it's pretty easy because I have account details for that already. So if you're in another country, you can do the same, and this is how you're going to do it. Okay, so for Nigerians, you can pay with your card if you have. If you don't have, you can use the details on the flyer or somewhere around in this very site for this particular products. All right, this particular bundle, you can check out my store for other bundles. So I'm going to make an example. For example, if I'm in Ghana right now, okay, I'll just first of all make sure you choose your currency. If it doesn't detect it automatically, make sure you choose it using this drop down here, okay, to choose your currency. So assuming I'm in Ghana right now and I want to make payment for this and I want to do it locally, all right, I don't want to pay online. Maybe I don't have debit card or something to pay online and I want to make a transfer. All right, take note of this amount. Okay, I'll just click buy now. Just proceed, just follow what I'm going to show you. Okay, this is my name, my email. You want to enter your phone number. For me, I'm still going to use my NGN phone number. Okay, so this is my phone number. There's no coupon right now for this very package. Okay, the package is already discounted. Okay, so I'm going to click pay now. So it's actually going to refer you to pay via Momo. All right, you know mobile money, what mobile money is. So it's a very familiar one. So you're going to choose your network type. After you've chosen that, now here, if it redirects you to a payment gateway that requires card details, if you look below, you are going to see change payment method. This is very important because this is where it is. All right, so if you click it, you can see card. So if I choose card, that means I have card for payment. Is to take me to this place where you can enter your card details and pay automatically. But if you don't have card, click the change payment method and choose mobile money. So this is going to be a transfer, right? So let me just put I think it's 10 digits for Ghanaians, right? It's 10 digits. All right, so maybe this is an MTN, and then just click pay 40 Ghanaian cedis. So after you've clicked that, it will, yes, it's going to redirect you. Click proceed, and then once it redirects you, it's going to send an OTP to your phone, okay, to that number you've entered. Make sure you enter a number that you know that you're using. Okay, so once you enter that OTP here, you proceed. It will give you an account number to transfer the 40 Ghanaian cedis to. So immediately you transfer to that very account. You click I have paid. So immediately the confirmation is done. You will I will be notified that you have paid. All right, and you can reach out to me directly using any of those using my phone number, all right, on this particular site, or that is if it's not redirected directly to my inbox. So you can chat me up on WhatsApp or Instagram All right, so I'll give you the access that you deserve. So this is how to do that locally. All right, if by chance you see anything different from what I've said, you can just follow it gradually the way it is directing you, all right, so that you can make the payment successfully. And let me know however the process goes, and I will give you access immediately your payment is confirmed. So that's how to pay locally. Just change the payment method. If you want to pay via mobile money, it's pretty simple. It's going to give you all the process. This is why I couldn't complete it exactly completely, is because the phone number I entered, it's I just brought it out. So so there was no way for me to enter the OTP. So if you have entered the correct OTP, you would have gotten it, and then you proceed from there, and you make your payment. Thank you.